Hey friends, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Ted. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tidy up your channel to make it look professional and clean in the eyes of your viewers. So please stay tuned.
Alright, so we're back on my computer, and before I teach you how to organize your YouTube channel, I would like to show you some of the best performing YouTube content creator out there. I want to show you their page. So let's start first with Urwan Usaf. He currently has 2.7 million subscribers. Look at his page. Look at the way he designed his page. So up at the top you will see there his current uploads, and then another segment would be a cook off with his family. So another one would be his overnight travel guides. This is his travel blog. He has a lot of travel vlog videos. So this is just one of his series, and then another one would be going coastal, um, journey to the north, recipes. And then at the bottom, you will see here his most popular uploads. So let's go to another page. This is Vanessa Lau. She's like a YouTube, Instagram guru. So this is how she designed her page. So up at the top, you see here her uploads. Next would be her Instagram hacks, YouTube hacks, and online coaching. So if you look at her page, it's very professional. It's pretty easy to navigate. It's pretty easy to understand. So this could lead to more views and more subscribers. So going back to my channel, as you can see, there are several topics that I do here in my channel. Sometimes I would do cameras, sometimes I would do tutorials about YouTube. I also have an outdoor channel, and occasionally I would do sometimes some recipe videos. So it's not really organized and people really doesn't like that. So let's start to organize my channel now. First thing that we need to do is to make a playlist. For this one, we'll title it as YouTube Tips. So click on create. So from here, you'll just have to edit it just by clicking on the pencil. So from here, just click on the three dots, that's the options, and then click on add videos. So from here, we need to add videos coming from my own channel. So I would need to click on your YouTube videos. So I would use this, making a perfect thumbnail, editing video, uploading video faster. So add all of this three. So from here, you could sort the videos by its date or most popular. So I would use this one. Let's go back to our channel. So from here, just click on your picture so you could see your profile. And from your profile, you just have to click on customize channel. Alright, so in channel customization under layout, look for this one, add section. And then click on single playlist. And we'll just have to click on the playlist that we created. So there, once you add it, you could see your playlist now on one of the sections. It's right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some more playlists. Alright, so I added two more playlists. So the first one that we made is YouTube tips. Next one is camera. And then the other one would be outdoors by Coach Manny. So what I want you to see from here is that you could further organize your YouTube channel by rearranging the playlist as you desire. So let's say you change the uploads to be the first, from being the first to be the second playlist that they will see. There. And if you like your page now, just click on publish. And now let's take a look at my channel. So this is how it looks like when somebody views my channel. So it's pretty organized, looks more professional, and I think it's more appealing to my viewers' eyes. Alright, so I hope you like it.
Alright, so I hope you liked the video and I hope it sparked joy in your life today. And if you have any questions or suggestions, don't forget to comment it down below. And don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. You have a wonderful week. God bless you. See you next time.